everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Madcap Gray. We are going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of the 2018 Yamaha SR400 and the Suzuki TU250. So why do a comparison of a bike that's 250 cc's versus one that's 400 cc's? Well, these bikes are actually so similar that will actually end up being your deciding factor based on wants, needs, and your skill set. Both of these bikes are designed with an upright, comfortable riding position, with the TU250 seating at 30.3 inches and the SR400 seat is at 30.9, so there's not really much difference at all when it comes to seat height. Being a smaller bike, the TU250 is a little bit lighter, weighing at 332 pounds, and at a bigger motor, the SR400 weighs in at 384 pounds. Still pretty close. Identical for both bikes is the gas tank capacity at 3.2 gallons, and a combined average between the two is roughly about 70 miles per gallon. The TU250 offers a 12-month unlimited mileage limited warranty, and the SR400 offers a limited factory warranty. Both of these bikes are fly-by-wire, the only hydraulic part of them being the front disc brakes, as both bikes possess a drum brake in the rear with on-the-go adjustments. Both of these bikes are electric start, fuel injected, 5-speed, air-cooled, and chain-driven. The most notable difference of these bikes is that the TU250 only has a speedo with trip odometer, and the SR400 offers a speedo, trip, and odometer as well as a tachometer. Ground clearance is a little bit different on these bikes, with the TU250 sitting at 6.5 inches and the SR400 at just barely over 5 inches. So there you have it, guys, a side-by-side comparison of these retro is back cafe style motorcycles. These are available here at Nash Power Sports in Scottsdale, Arizona, and like I said, the only real difference between these bikes is how much power you want to get out of them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll be back in a little bit.